Are you looking for the top 5 multi-function air fryer grills you need in 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 multi-function air fryer on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Ninja DG551 Foodi Smart XL6. In one indoor grill with air fry, Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. Updated, sleek design with the same functions and benefits. Indoor countertop grill and air fryer with a smart cook system and thermometer. Smart cook system and thermometer. The Foodi Smart Thermometer enables you to achieve the perfect doneness, from rare to well done with 4 protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels. Do it at the touch of a button with no more guesswork, hassle-free. Cyclonic grilling technology. Uses 500 degrees Fahrenheit of hot cyclonic air and 500 degrees Fahrenheit grill grate to perfectly cook or char grill your food with char grill marks and delicious flavors. Wattage, 1,760 watts. Voltage, 120 volts. 6 versatile cooking functions. Grill, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate functions enabled by the wide temperature range. Up to 75% less fat. Air fry crisp with up to 75% less fat than deep frying, tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, using the included 4QT crisper basket. Smoke control system. The combination of our chef-recommended grilling practices, a temperature-controlled grill grate, splatter shield, and cool air zone reduces smoke, keeping it out of the kitchen. Forget about defrosting. Transform foods from frozen to perfectly char-grilled in under 25 minutes. Easy TO clean. The ceramic-coated, removable grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all dishwasher safe. Easy to clean and PTFE/PFOA free. What's included? Ninja Smart XL Grill, 9-inch by 12-inch grill grate for QT, crisper basket for QT, cooking pot, Foodi Smart Thermometer, cleaning brush, and chef-created 15 recipe book. Number 2. EDENPEER Extra Large Air Fryer. Super fast cooking speed. EDENPEER air fryer features in dual heat source technology, so you can cook much faster in the kitchen than a traditional air fryer, and also don't need to flip up the food while cooking. Cook 25 chicken wings in 14 minutes, 2 steaks in 8 minutes, 1 bag of bacon in 8 minutes, and 2 pizza in 8 minutes. Larger cooking area design. Cooking area size of compact air fryer's tray is 12.6 times 12.6 inch, so it is large enough for making some big food, especially 12-inch pizza. 270 degrees easy viewing window and light. Our air fryer stainless steel non-toxic has a large 270 degrees wide-angle see-through viewing window and internal light, helping you check the cooking progress easily without opening the basket. 11IN1 versatility. EDENPEER air fryer non-toxic includes function: fries, steak, wings, fish, prawn, veggie, bacon, dehydrate, reheat, frozen pizza, fresh pizza. Perfect alternative for some kitchen appliance like oven, microwave, dehydrator, and toaster. Crispy and much more healthier. EDENPEER stainless steel air fryer makes you enjoy more crispy and healthier food with up to 87% less oil compared with traditional deep frying, so you can immerse the delights of all your favorite fried foods without guilty. Large capacity. Our internal cooking capacity of our large air fryer is 6 QT, large enough for the whole family meals or gatherings. Air fryer also shapes in compact size, convenient for storing in the kitchen easily without taking up too much space. Superior quality metal inner cavity. Inner cavity of our non-toxic air fryers are made of superior quality metal, but most of other air fryers' inner cavity are made of plastic, so it is no toxic, no odor, and also easy for cleaning. Number 3. Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. The Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo delivers powerful, all-in-one cooking performance in a sleek countertop design, featuring 11 versatile cooking functions, including bake, broil, air fry, roast, dehydrate, and more. This smart convection oven replaces multiple appliances with one compact unit. The 1750W heating system and advanced air circulation ensure fast, even cooking with crispy results and reduced oil. With a generous 25 quart capacity, It easily fits family-size meals, a whole chicken, or multiple trays at once. Intuitive touchscreen controls make selecting settings simple and precise, while pre-programmed modes take the guesswork out of everyday cooking. Designed for speed and efficiency, the MiniOven heats quickly and cooks up to 30% faster than traditional ovens. Finished in modern black, the Chef IQ MiniOven is perfect for busy kitchens, delivering smart technology, convenience, and professional quality results every time. Number 4. Sunvivi Indoor Grill. Auto lift in extra large size. 2 11-inch by 9-inch cooking plates fit 4 sandwiches or 6 medium panini. The adjustable lift allows for thicker foods up to 2 inches, perfect for any size sandwich, meat, or steak for versatile, healthy cooking. Smoke-free and comfortable, our electric griddle features a built-in fan to effectively remove smoke, keeping your kitchen clean and fresh. Enjoy a healthier cooking environment and focus on making delicious meals. Note, the high-power fan may produce some noise, which is normal. Smart control and efficiency. The LCD display shows cooking time and temperature. Set time 1 to 60 minutes and temperature 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit easily. Independent grill plate control and a 1300W heating system ensure fast cooking, saving time while grilling burgers, steaks, veggies, and more. Easy to clean, removable non-stick grill plates for quick cleaning. Removable drip tray collects excess liquid and grease for easy cleaning and disposal. Plates, grill, and drip tray are dishwasher safe. Wipe the stainless steel exterior with a damp cloth. Always allow the appliance to cool before cleaning. Multiple uses. Ideal for kitchens, dorms, offices, food trucks, and commercial spaces, as well as RV trips. Easily store your contact grill. A great offering option for Christmas, Thanksgiving, housewarmings, anniversaries, and more. Perfect for giving family and friends a reusable offering. Number 5. Techwood Indoor Grill Smokeless Grill. Family size grill and griddle plate. Grill on our family size. The large non-stick grill and griddle plate offers plenty of room to fry eggs, pancakes, bacon, and more, or get the perfect result on steak and fish and other meal foods, and comes with a tempered glass lid. Portable design and fun party idea. Easy to plug in and use in your kitchen, a picnic area while camping, or even your own backyard and balcony. Simply hook it up to a power source and start grilling up your favorite foods without worrying about smoke. Heats up quickly and customized temperature. Techwood Indoor Smokeless Grill with an accurate temperature control allow you getting the cooking temperature correct from 220 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintains that constant temperature throughout the entire cooking process. Your food will be grilled to perfection under the high temperature from the grill heat with an authentic char grill texture and barbecue grill marks. Evenly grilled, tasty, juicy, and brown results. Non-stick surface and easy cleanup. Food slides right off the non-stick surface, making cleanup scrub-free. Clean up your electric barbecue grill in less than a minute. Grill plate, griddle plate, and drip tray can be removed and washed in the dishwasher, even wash it by hand. Makes cleanup a breeze. That's another application for removable grill plates and drip tray. Cleaning the grill has never been easier. Promise and quality assurance. Techwood offer an outstanding 30-day hassle-free return policy and 18-month promise. Our products are all covered by product liability insurance of the United States. For details, please refer to the instruction manual.